diesel pusher. It's a country coach. These are run about $200,000 and $250,000 new. This is a 1996. He has only 70,000 miles on it, which is just awesome. And he paid just 30 grand, but then he had to put in about 5,000 for tires and some engine work.
This is my Class A country coach Intrigue diesel pusher. So here's the living room area. This had another sofa, but we pulled it out so I could actually put my chair and enjoy myself and be comfortable. Then we got the sofa.
Got it set up cool with the TV right there in front.
TV's right there. You got storage on both sides, which is really nice. And then you got your kitchen area, which is pretty big. Over here, refrigerator, little dining table, good enough for 2-3 people. That's all you need, right?
Yeah.
It's more than you need, right?
And back
Okay.
here, bathroom.
Got a real bathroom.
Yeah.
A real shower there.
Real shower. This is all clothes and storage,
Okay.
which is plenty. And then back here is the bedroom. Queen size bed. Plenty of storage above it.
I like it's a lot of like mirror, huh?
And then
Yeah,
it's
it's
walk
ridiculous.
around.
Where are
So-
Where
Yeah,
are
walk
we?
around. TV up here. Some more storage with a VCR, and which I should be fine for a while. All the money's been spent to buy it and fix it up, so the expenses should drop dramatically now. And then it's just food and gas and everything else should keep running. So
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Congratulations. I
Thank you.
like it.
And insurance was only about $900 for the year for full-time coverage.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Why? I was paying like for my car 160 a month.
Oh, I got a good driving record.
Yeah.
Good
I-
driving
No
record.
accidents.
I got no accidents, no tickets.
Maybe for an RV is different.
Yeah, I heard that it is cheaper for an
Oh,
RV,
yeah.
baby.
Is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, they
It's a
don't.
big
Generally speaking, RVs aren't driven all the time.
Right. Well, you do
So-
have to get full-time coverage. If
Yeah.
you're living full-time, you got to make sure you get that coverage, because if you don't, and they find out, then whatever happens is negated. So
Okay.
you got to watch yourself. No, I'm full-time. You got to pay for it,
Okay.
and it is a little bit extra.
So Catalina, you want an A, huh?
She looks
Catalina's
rather
gonna want.
comfy, doesn't
I
her?
know
She's
she already
sitting
got
up there.
comfy.
She's like, man, I
I'm
know.
sitting. You didn't invite, but I'm here already.
That's right.
Really at home.
That's right. She's at home now. She's got her dining table. It's like, okay, I like this. That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, all you can do is keep looking. I mean, I literally looked for 10 months, and my heart was set on a Beaver motor coach, which are really nice. But every time I find one, somebody would come in and buy it.
Before you.
Yeah. I mean, it's like, what the hell? So, finally, like I said, when I had to move out, it's like, I'm running out of time. I got to find something.
Get out there, guys. Connect with people. Live your big story, like Bill, and make sure you're doing something every day to help reduce world suck. Peace, guys.